Hello, welcome to today's class where we are going to be looking at particulate nature of matter. In our last class where we talked about matter, we were able to discuss and come into conclusion that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. We also discussed that matter has three distinct or different states called solid, liquid, and a gaseous state. And these three states has the ability to be changed or transformed from one form to another based on the prevailing condition, which is what? Change in temperature. In this class, we are going to go further to discuss on the particles that make up matter. Matter is made up of three discrete particles called atoms, molecules, and ions. We'll also in this class talk about the relationship between these three particles. Still in this topic, we will discuss about the concept of mole and also how to write the correct symbols of elements. We'll also go further to talk about chemical formula and how to name compounds using the IUPAC convention. Of course, IUPAC simply means the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It's a convention that makes use of some set of rules in naming compounds using the IUPAC convention. Now, when we say naming compounds, it's always a big problem to most students to name chemical compounds. So in this class, we will discuss how to name compounds, both simple compounds and complex compounds. Also in this topic, we will go in details to talk about the concept of mole and the relationship between the mole, Avogadro's number, and molar volume. We'll also talk about chemical equations and how to balance simple chemical equations. Of course, chemical equations are chemical reactions written in paper form involving reactants and products in the form of what? Symbols and chemical formula. Still in this topic, we will talk about solutions and concentration of solution. We will also talk about how to determine the molarity of a solution. So these and others are some of the things we are going to look at in this topic.